Welcome back everybody to another video. This one I'm gonna sound a little dumb because I'm sick, but I still gotta get the work done, right? So I'm here with this 1994 Cherokee Sport, the little guy with the straight 6 4-liter. So we're gonna do spark plugs, cap and rotor, and wires. Pretty much just a tune-up. I'm gonna take you through step by step, let you know what tools you need and all that stuff. Please like, share, subscribe, and let's get into it. Step 1, pop your hood. Here's our little tune-up kit. We got cap, rotor wires, United Automotive Tri-Pack 2-7625, and we're using the Bosch spark plugs here, Platinums. Part number is a 6717. You need 6 of these. Don't buy 4, you need 6. This kit comes with 2 different rotor styles. One has a peg and one just has a slip-on style. And then it comes with 1 cap and new screws. Spark plugs should come pre-gapped, but if you want, take a double check with a feeler gauge. Should be around 40 thousandths of an inch. Start screwing the thing in by hand. Then all you're going to do is put the screw the rest of the way in till it passes the threads, and then it'll be a captive bolt, so it won't fall out no matter what once we get past it, right? So I'm just about there. Boom. So now it will move in and out, but it won't go past the threads again. So this is ready to go. Next step, we're going to take the same Phillips we just used and unscrew the cap that's in the vehicle. There's the cap. So we're going to reach in here, find where it's at, and we're just going to unscrew this guy on both sides. This one has the broken wire harness holder deal right here, so it is what it is. When we get it to go on, we'll get it to go on, but we'll just unscrew this. And also, in order for it to move, we're gonna have to unplug it from the coil. So let's do that now. You just wiggle and pull. Now that the cap's off, we can see which rotor we have. We have the one with the little stud in the back that goes into the metal plate. So all you do is pull this off, grab the new one, slide it on. But first I'm gonna spray this down with some brake cleaner because it's pretty dirty. Now install the cap, the new one, with the black piece to the right. And we're going to, at this point, go one by one, replacing the spark plug wires so we don't misplace, you know, one of these going to one of these. We'll just start here, center, coil. Then that one goes straight down into the coil. So starting from the coil here, then this one from here comes down around into number 2. This one here comes over and goes into number 1. This one here goes up and over into number 4. Then, like I said already, this one was going to number 2. The next one here goes all the way to number 6. This one here goes just straight over to number 6. And this one here goes to number 3. And then this last one here, which is the last 90 I had, goes from here to number 5. So before I change the spark plugs, I'm going to make sure everything's plugged in and make sure it still turns on. You're going to use a 5/8 spark plug socket with the rubber inside to make your life easier. And you're just going to remove one at a time. You might have to get, you know, this pushed out of the way to get that one. You might have to use a smaller extension or no extension for these back two. But yeah, you're just going to take a 5/8 and remove them all by hand. Don't use an impact. You don't want to mess the threads up in the head. Grab some anti-seize, and then I just put a little dab on it, and then I'm going to screw it in all the way by hand first. Should go pretty smooth unless you have some problems, but you should be able to get it almost all the way down without a tool. Now you're going to tighten it by hand. I grab it here so I have the extension up there, and I just go until I can't move it anymore, because it's not a lot of leverage, you know what I mean? So like if you come up here, you can tighten it even more. But depending on how strong you are, you know, these aren't supposed to be torqued all crazy. So I usually grab it right here, and then I just go until it don't move, and then we're done. Now I take the spark plug wire, plug it back in, and that's 1 of 6 completed. So now I have to do that 5 more times. This kit came with some spark plug wire holders. It came with 2 2s, 2 3s, and 2 4s. I changed up a little bit the way everything's running to make it a little cleaner. So I have those 2 coming to a holder. Then these 3 have a holder. These 2 that cross over and go to 3 and 4 have a 2 holder. And then there's a 3 holder right here to hold those. Now it's a lot cleaner. Wires aren't just going everywhere. These plugs have a lot of buildup on them. Like this one, I'm surprised it was even making a spark. This one had some weird crap on it. I don't know. And then the other 4 seemed okay. You know, they had some buildup, but not as bad. This one was super bad. Moment of truth. Everything's back together. Let's make sure it starts. Yep. Sounds good. No misfiring, no shaking, no nothing. If you have shaking, you probably have 2 spark plugs swapped. If it's just misfiring a little bit, one of the spark plugs wires are probably not plugged in all the way. And if it's just driving like total crap, you probably have more than 2 wires in the wrong spots. Hopefully this video helped you out, save you some money, let you do it yourself. Till next time, wrench on. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, help me out with this algorithm. It's murdering me, and I'll see you in the next one.